FaceTime screen share option grayed out on iPhone? Well, if the screen share option in FaceTime is grayed out or unavailable, don't worry. This is Eve, and in this video, I'll give a quick 3 guide that will fix your problem. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable SharePlay. Open Setting, scroll down, tap FaceTime, tap SharePlay. Make sure to turn on this option. Solution 2. Offload the app to remove the software bugs. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the FaceTime app, tap Offload, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset, tap Reset All Settings. Note that this will reset all your personalized settings to default values, so you must set them up again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's possible that the screen sharing feature may be temporarily unavailable or disabled by your carrier or organization. Now, if you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.